Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man MKBHD here. Today we're diving into something huge, something that's going to change the game, the Metaverse. Imagine a world where you can attend concerts, hang out with friends, and even work, all without leaving your room. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's closer than you think. We're not talking about just putting on a VR headset and playing games. The Metaverse is a persistent, shared virtual world that blends the best of the physical and digital. Imagine a world where the boundaries between online and offline begin to blur, and the possibilities become endless. It's about creating experiences that are more immersive, more connected, and more engaging than ever before. We're talking about a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology and with each other. Think about it. Remember the oasis from Ready Player One? That's the kind of world we're talking about, but instead of just being a cool movie, it's becoming our reality. Okay, so, the Metaverse sounds cool and all, but what exactly is it? Simply put, it's a network of interconnected, immersive digital spaces. Think of it as a giant, interconnected virtual world that you can access using various devices. In the Metaverse, you're not just passively consuming content, you're actively participating in it. You can create, explore, socialize, work, and even own things in these digital spaces. It's like the internet, but instead of just looking at websites, you're actually inside it, interacting with everything and everyone in 3D. Imagine attending a virtual concert with friends from around the world, all from the comfort of your living room. Or how about teleporting yourself to a tropical beach for a quick escape during your lunch break? The Metaverse makes all of this and more possible. It's about breaking down the barriers of the physical world and creating new opportunities for connection, collaboration, and exploration. It's still early days, but the potential is mind-blowing. So, how do you actually get into the Metaverse? Well, it's all about access. You'll need a way to connect to this digital world, which is where devices like VR headsets, Arkansas glasses, and even our good old smartphones and computers come in. Think of them as your portals into this new reality. Once you're in, you'll need a digital identity, like an avatar, to represent you. This is your digital twin, and you can customize it to look however you want. Want to be a tall, muscular warrior in the Metaverse? Go for it. Prefer to be a shimmering, ethereal being? The choice is yours. Now, what can you actually do in the Metaverse? The possibilities are pretty much limitless. Imagine attending virtual concerts, exploring distant planets, trying on clothes in virtual dressing rooms, or collaborating with colleagues on projects in a shared virtual workspace. Section 4. The Architects of Reality. 2.0 - Who's building this digital wonderland? Building the Metaverse is a massive undertaking, and it's not something any one company can do alone. We're talking about a collaborative effort involving tech giants, startups, developers, and of course, users like you and me. Companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, Microsoft, and Nvidia are investing heavily in Metaverse technologies. They're developing the hardware, software, and platforms that will power this new digital frontier. But it's not just about the big players. Countless startups and independent creators are also contributing their own unique visions and innovations to the Metaverse. It's this decentralized and collaborative spirit that makes the Metaverse so exciting and full of potential. From gaming platforms like Roblox and Fortnite to blockchain-based metaverses like Decentraland and the Sandbox, the race is on to build the future of virtual worlds. Each platform offers its own unique features, experiences, and opportunities. Section 5. The Metaverse's impact. Why should we even care about this? Okay, so the Metaverse sounds cool, but why should we even care? What's the big deal? Well, beyond the hype and excitement, the Metaverse has the potential to fundamentally change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. For starters, it can revolutionize the way we work. Imagine collaborating with colleagues from around the world in a shared virtual office space, where you can brainstorm ideas, share presentations, and even have virtual water cooler chats, all without the need for physical travel. Education is another area ripe for disruption. Imagine learning about history by virtually stepping back in time or exploring the human body from the inside out. The Metaverse can make learning more immersive, engaging, and fun. But it's not all about work and education. The Metaverse also has the potential to transform the way we socialize and connect with others. Imagine attending virtual concerts, hanging out with friends in virtual parks, or even going on virtual dates, all from the comfort of your own home. Of course, with any new technology, there are risks and challenges. Privacy, security, accessibility, and the potential for misuse are all important considerations. It's crucial that we approach the development and implementation of the metaverse responsibly and ethically. Section 6. Buckle up. The metaverse is coming, ready or not. The metaverse is more than just a buzzword. It's a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology and with each other. It's a convergence of the physical and digital worlds, creating new possibilities for connection, creativity, and exploration. It's still early days, and the metaverse is constantly evolving and expanding. There are still many challenges to overcome, but the potential benefits are too great to ignore. This is a technology that has the power to reshape our world in profound ways, and it's up to all of us to shape it responsibly. So, are you ready to join the adventure? The metaverse is waiting.